Today, I am exploring 7 AI tools that could replace your job. After 6 months of testing over 50 AI tools, I have identified 7 key tools across design, writing, coding, video, and marketing that are a legitimate threat to your job. These tools are available today and have significant implications for the workforce. Goldman Sachs predicts artificial intelligence could automate 300 million jobs by 2030. In 2025, companies like International Business Machines and Klarna replaced human roles with artificial intelligence, saving millions. These tools, available today for as little as $20 a month, are already disrupting the workforce. McKinsey reports 55% of workers expect significant job changes due to artificial intelligence within 3 years. To determine if an AI tool is truly job replacing, it must excel in 5 criteria: output quality, speed, cost, ease of use, and adoption rate. These tools aren't just beneficial, they pose existential threats to certain professions by matching professional output, completing tasks significantly faster, being cost effective, user friendly, and widely adopted by companies. ChatGPT is revolutionizing industries by replacing content writers, copywriters, customer support agents, research analysts, and email marketers. With over 200 million weekly users, it handles tasks like producing 500-word articles in under 60 seconds. At $20 a month, it offers a cost effective alternative to human labor, making it a formidable job replacing tool. Midjourney has revolutionized commercial design, making graphic designers and illustrators largely obsolete for 80% of tasks like social media graphics and concept art. It generates high quality images in under 30 seconds, costing just 1% of traditional fees. Major brands like Heinz and Nestle have already adopted AI generated imagery in their campaigns. Runway Gen 4 is revolutionizing video production by replacing roles like video editors and motion graphics artists. Gen 4.5 will create cinematic 4K videos from text prompts in minutes. Partnered with Lionsgate and NVIDIA, it's a core tool at University of California, Los Angeles Film School. Tasks once taking 8 hours now take 10 minutes, making traditional skills obsolete. Synthesia is revolutionizing video production by replacing on camera presenters and production crews. It creates AI avatar videos in over 160 languages without traditional resources. Rated 4.75 on G2, it's trusted by 90% of the Fortune 100. One company saved $56,000 and produced over 100 training videos, reducing production time from 4 hours to 30 minutes. GitHub Copilot is transforming the software development landscape. It replaces junior developers, quality assurance testers, and more, boosting senior developer productivity by 55%. With increased job satisfaction and productivity gains of up to 94%, companies are hiring fewer entry level engineers. Copilot is widely used, available for free or $10 per month. Jasper AI is revolutionizing marketing by automating entire departments. It replaces roles like content marketers and SEO writers, reducing teams from 10 to 2. Jasper's AI handles research, drafting, optimization, and publishing. Notably, it enabled one customer to automate 60% of SEO content and another to write 7,500 product descriptions in 24 hours. Cursor AI revolutionizes software development by autonomously planning, building, testing, and deploying features. Diana Hu notes its rapid adoption, while Jensen Huang highlights its impact on productivity. Trusted by over half of the Fortune 500, it replaces roles like full stack developers and quality assurance engineers, enabling non technical founders to ship applications independently. These 7 AI tools target 12 specific job categories. The combined cost is under $400 per month, which is less than 10% of a mid level employee's salary. Consider the impact on job security and cost efficiency. Embrace AI to enhance your career. Become an AI operator by mastering tools like Midjourney and Runway. Elevate your role by focusing on strategy and judgment, areas where AI falls short. Future careers will thrive in AI prompt engineering, workflow design, content strategy, and product management. Adapt and lead with AI, not against it. Adaptation is key. Begin with one tool and master it before moving on. Among the 50 tools tested, these 7 stand out. Writers and marketers should explore ChatGPT or Jasper. Designers can leverage Midjourney. Developers might use Cursor or GitHub Copilot. And video creators should consider Runway or Synthesia. I hope you found this video helpful. Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next one.